The Enforcement Directorate (ED) has informed the Supreme Court that the Aam Aadmi Party (AAP) will be designated as a co-accused in the ongoing money laundering investigation related to the Delhi excise policy case. This development comes against the backdrop of a broader legal context involving allegations of financial irregularities and illegal practices in the implementation of the Delhi excise policy. The Supreme Court today directed the Union of India to deport 17 foreigners languishing in Assam detention center, noting that there is no offence registered against them. A bench of Justices Abhay S. Oka and Ujjal Bhuyan noted a report submitted by the State Legal Services Authority, which stated that there are 17 declared foreigners detained in the detention center in Assam. A chilling incident unfolded in Lilong Awang Lekai on May 14 after two youths were allegedly abducted at gunpoint by unknown miscreant. The harrowing ordeal resulted in the death of one young man while the other remains under treatment for severe injuries. The victims, identified as MD Jahir Khan alias Atomba 23-year-old and MD Farid Khan alias Boicha 20 years old, both hailing from Kibung Matak Leka in Tobal, were forcefully taken from Lilong Awang Lekai by a group of unidentified assailants who arrived in a four-wheeler vehicle around 5 p.m. According to reports, the bodies of the abducted youths bore signs of brutal assault when they were discovered. Tragically, MD Jahir Khan was pronounced dead upon arrival at Tobal Hospital in the early hours of the morning. Meanwhile, MD Farid Khan, critically injured in the incident, is currently undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity. The Tripura government has initiated the process of appointing officials for the constitution of the state-level Empowered Committee and district-level committee for the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 CAA. In a notification signed by R. Riang IA as Director of the Directorate of Census Operation Tripura, all district magistrates have been asked to nominate one Tripura civil service officer who will serve as an invitee of the district-level committee for the processing of citizenship application. Thousands of people participated in rallies in Mizoram today to protest the centre's decision to fence the India-Myanmar border and withdraw the free movement regime with the neighboring country, Myanmar. The peaceful rallies organized by Zohri Unification Organization (Zoro) were held in Zokwatar and Vapai villages in Champai district bordering Myanmar, and many people from the neighboring country also took part in the processions, a leader of the organization said. 5 Israeli soldiers were killed and 7 were injured after an Israeli Defense Force tank mistakenly fired at them in Gaza. The Israeli Defense Forces initiated an investigation into the incident, stating it occurred when soldiers were hit by tank crossfire in Jabalia. The IDF is probing why the shells were fired and if the soldiers were mistaken for armed militants. After Indian men's football team captain Sunil Chhetri announced that he is retiring from international football on June 6, FIFA paid tribute to him. FIFA shared a poster in which Chhetri can be seen standing with Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi on a podium. Notably, Chhetri is the world's third highest active international goal scorer after Ronaldo and Messi.